This is just a quick video to explain why I've renamed this channel. To give a bit of context for any new people who might randomly find this video, this channel used to be called GNU Lectures. The first reason is because the old name caused a bunch of confusion. For those who couldn't tell, the name GNU Lectures is a combination of the words GNU/Linux and lectures. However, a lot of people pronounce it as GNU Lectures, particularly people who aren't familiar with GNU Linux or free software. When I vocally tell people, oh, my channel is called GNU Lectures, it's unclear how it's meant to be spelt, and a lot of people who were looking for my channel had issues finding it. The second reason is because of the channel's theme. I don't consider myself to be a real Linux YouTuber. I consider myself a tech YouTuber who just so happens to be a Linux user. I do make Linux content, but most of my content is indirectly related to Linux, and some of it isn't related to Linux at all. I also felt the name GNU Lectures sounded a bit too formal. It reflects the early days of my channel when it was a school project. If I count as a Linux YouTuber, I'm certainly an unconventional one, since I've never done a distro review or a writing tutorial or anything like that. Now, that may change as I've been playing around with GNU Geeks, which is one of the distros approved by the Free Software Foundation. Speaking of which, the third and final reason is because I'm not affiliated with the Free Software Foundation or the GNU project. While I respect their work and their cause, at the end of the day, I'm just an independent content creator. Okay, so you might wonder why the channel is called NapoleonTech. After all, it's a bit of a random name. Well, honestly, it's for consistency. My second channel is called Not Napoleon, my website is notnapoleon.net, and it's also a username I use on platforms like Steam and Matrix. I don't actually know how I chose this username, I just picked it randomly. It has nothing to do with this guy. So, what does this mean for the channel? Well, for the most part, not much. I'm still going to be posting the same sort of content, but I'll probably be a lot more active this year, and I may take on some more ambitious projects. Not too long ago, I got my hand on a 3D printer. I've used it for a bunch of different things, but what I really want to do is make another cyberdeck/laptop, because the first one I made was not great. I also tried making a retro-style computer, but it didn't turn out how I hoped. Although I've only uploaded 2 videos this year, I was working on another video back in January, although I ended up cancelling it. The video in question was daily driving Windows XP in 2026. Of course, I'm not the first person to make that kind of video, but to spice things up a bit, I wanted to edit that video on Windows XP, and I was committed to doing so. As you can probably imagine, trying to edit a modern YouTube video on a 24-year-old operating system on a modern-ish PC that does technically support XP but wasn't designed for it, not easy. However, when you're not trying to edit a silly YouTube video, it's surprisingly usable, security issues aside. That's wild considering this operating system is older than I am, and it was discontinued almost 12 years ago. That's about it for today's video, a bit of a random one, but until next time, cheerio.